Let us draw the structure of 4 taught butyl 3 iodo heptane. You see, hept is the root word, means there are 7 carbon atoms in the parent carbon chain. N is the primary suffix, means you will find carbon-carbon single bonds. Iodo and taught butyl are secondary prefixes written before root word. 4 and 3 are locants. Locants means locates position of the substituent. For hept, we have to write 7 carbon atoms in a straight chain. The numbering of the carbon chain is done from one end. You can take other end also. Ane means primary suffix. You will find carbon-carbon single bonds. Then at 3 position you will find iodo. So you have to write I over here. Then at 4th position you will find taught butyl. So it is important to learn how to write taught butyl. Butyl means it has 4 carbon atoms. Taught means it has a carbon atom which is connected to 3 carbon atoms on 3 different sides. This is the tertiary carbon. At 4th position you will find a carbon atom which is a tertiary carbon. So this carbon should be bonded to 3 carbon atoms on 3 different sides. Then we have to fill the carbon skeleton with hydrogen atoms. You see, number 1 carbon has 1 bond over here. So there are 3 hydrogen atoms. For second carbon, you will find there are 2 bonds on 2 different sides. So it has only 2 hydrogen atoms. In case of third carbon, there are 3 bonds on 3 different sides. So another bond is there for hydrogen. So you can write CH. In fourth carbon, only 1 H is there. In fifth carbon, there are 2 hydrogen atoms. In sixth carbon, you will find 2 hydrogen atoms. In seventh carbon, you will find 3 hydrogen atoms. In case of this tertiary carbon, there is no hydrogen atom because this tertiary carbon is bonded to 3 carbon atoms on 3 different sides, and fourth bond is bonded to the parent chain. So this carbon has 3 hydrogen atoms, this carbon has 3 hydrogen atoms, this carbon has 3 hydrogen atoms, and this is your 4 taught butyl 3 iodoheptane. This is 4 taught butyl 3 iodoheptane. This is known as butyl because this group has 4 carbon atoms, and it is taught butyl because this carbon in the middle is bonded to 3 carbon atoms on 3 different sides. So this is a tertiary carbon. But this carbon is bonded to the parent chain at number 4 position. Thank you for watching the video till the end.